Chapter 7. Animal Homes. Animals, just like humans, need homes to live in and stay safe. These homes are called animal homes or shelters. Different animals have different types of homes that suit their needs. Birds, for example, build nests high up in trees using twigs, leaves, and sometimes even beds of paper. Squirrels make nests called drays in trees, branches, using leaves and twigs. Fish live in underwater homes called nests and dens made from rocks and sand. Some animals like rabbits and foxes dig burrows in the ground to create their homes. In the forest, bears might find cave to hibernate in during the winter. Even insects have their own unique homes such as beehives for bees or cocoons for caterpillars.